Hello everyone, welcome to new episode on this channel. Today, we have a clash of the Titans hypercar again. A battle that has car enthusiasts all over the world talking. It's the Rimac versus Koenigsegg and also versus Bugatti in the 0 to 400 to 0 km/h battle. We will watch and decide who would win in a head-to-head matchup, so let's watch the video and enjoy. Don't worry for the data, we will use the data from real record they all publish on public. For quick recap of specification, the Nevera is the hypercar but with all-electric power. Its carbon fiber monocoque chassis keeps it lightweight and incredibly strong. The Rimac can produce 1900 horsepower with electric motor, and its top speed of 258 mph, so it's quite fast. With a staggering 0-60 mph time of just 1.85 seconds, the Nevera is currently the fastest production car in the world nowadays. Meanwhile, the Koenigsegg REGERA, a hybrid hypercar with, is a 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8 and 3 electric motors. REGERA also have direct drive system, eliminating the need for a traditional gearbox. When it comes to performance, the REGERA can have 0 to 60 mph time of just 2.8 seconds and a top speed of 255 mph. It's a true speed demon. And the last is from Bugatti. We will use from Chiron data. Chiron have 8-liter 16-cylinder W engine. With quad turbo, this car can have produced such a 1500 horsepower. 0-60 in 2.3 seconds. And that is for quick spec. Now let's watch together who win the battle of hypercar this time. The Rimac NEVERA can get 29.93 seconds for the time in battle, and this is quite fast for road production car. Meanwhile, let's see how much is the time for Koenigsegg, REGERA, and Bugatti. The Koenigsegg REGERA have faster time, with 28.81 seconds. And yeah, it's faster than Nevera, but how about the Bugatti, is it can be better result than the Koenigsegg. The Bugatti have 42 seconds in 0 to 400 to 0 km/h. Make it the slowest one on this list. But Bugatti has published this record in 2017. We still don't know yet the performance for newer generation of Chiron, like the Super Sport. They only show the video about Chiron Super Sport can achieve 300 mph. For the conclusion of this topic, the winner is Koenigsegg REGERA, the fastest production car that can achieve this record. And that is the hypercar battle we already see and watch. What is your thought on this? You can say it too on the comment below. Stay tuned for another battle. And there you have it, the quick battle of the hypercar. Hope you enjoy. While choosing a winner in a head-to-head matchup is a tough call, 3 of these cars are winners in their own right. So thank you for watching. See you on next video.
I'm not too hard to do. I got the superstar glow, so to the fullest. I take my life to love.